Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to make a email templates in Gmail account. To make a free Gmail account, I open my Google Chrome browser and open my Gmail account. Go to the left corner, More Tools, and click on the extension. Now I go to the extension and click on the Open Chrome Web Store. Search here email templates for Gmail. There are many email templates to use Gmail account. I add this extension on my Chrome browser. Click on the Compose to make a new email templates. Here are new options to make email templates: Insert template, Save draft as template, and Edit as HTML. To make a new template, I click on the Insert templates. Here are more than 215 plus templates available. You can choose your perfect templates to use your Gmail account. You can search here keyword templates. I search here birthday. Now I edit these templates to use my account. These email templates are very responsive and smart. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will be help you, please subscribe to my channel to get more update video.